Hey guys, I'm John from Legacy Woodworking Machinery. Welcome to the last of my one-panel door making series. Today, we're gonna make a mission-style door. In the last video that we posted, we talked about the dust boot from one guy in a shop. I'm gonna show you how efficient and amazing it is by taking it off for the first part of our door. Let's check out how efficient this dust boot really is. See how nice and clean it kept our parts? That's phenomenal. Okay, backside's done. Let's flip this over. We'll cut the front side. The flat panel door is finished. Now we have a choice of two panels, either a glass panel or a flat MDF panel. Let's move this out of the way and see what they both look like. All right, let's do the glass panel first. Just as you'd expect, a see-through flat panel door. Now let's take a look at the flat panel. And here's our flat panel door. Notice that we have our grooves in here set up beautifully for our rail and style door. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.